An average kid that no one understands. Mom and Dad and Vicky always giving him twerk. Doom and gloom up in his room is broken instantly. Eyes magic little fish who grab his every wish. Cause in reality they are his odd parents, fairly odd parents.
Wands and wings, loading
Odd parents, fairly odd parents. Really mod, deep, pop, up, mod, hot.
Juice, rubber goose, green rose, guava juice, giant birthday cake, large rice, chocolate shake.
It's fairly odd parents. Let you live when you live with fairly odd parents.
Yeah, right.
Why are we at Stately West Manor again?
This guy, Adam West. He's the TV actor who played Catman in the vintage TV movie Vintage Catman versus the Doberman. And I'm gonna get his autograph. Will you please sign this photo?
Listen, cat Catarang. Aha, the mighty cat. What's your name, son? That's an odd name for a boy.
Mr. West! I waxed your cat, 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 waxed your catmobile, swept the cat cage, changed your cat litter, and washed cat for free! Bye! What the heck are you doing here?
Assisting in my cat war on crime. A crime fighter has 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 a crime